I am Dr. Sridhar Reddy Peddi, Senior Consultant Cardiologist from Apollo Hospital, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Today, everyone all over the world, so everyone is panic about our situation. Now the corona is spreading like anything. The compared to India, mainly in America, UK and European countries, we had lot of deaths, lot of mortality compared to in India. Luckily, as a Indian, we are lucky to hear now without any many mortalities, and also our Prime Minister did very well and he is doing the great job. The only lockdown situation is the only way we have to little bit prevent, because this virus spreads. If anybody will have the light, mild to moderate fever with cold, cough, throat pain, body pains, please stay at home, don't go, and also use your mask and don't spread this infection to even family members, because no one will stop with the spreading of the virus. Even within not only 1 meter, 2 meters, if within the house, people will have the fast spread like a dengue. Dengue also same thing. If one family member occurs, the mosquito will bite to others. Everybody is getting. So many we saw also. So please use the mask and avoid the distance, minimum social distance, and don't go away. Whatever you try, because it is not easy to survive everyone. There are even 70 to 80% of the people are daily wagers in India. But whatever the government is doing, very good help, and other NGOs, organizations, through media, they are doing very good jobs. Now presently, we have to, immunity is the first main factor in the treatment, nothing else. If we have a very good immunity, we are safe. So how to know? Because Indians are very good immunity power, and resistance is very good compared to, I saw many countries, I went to many countries, I traveled, I saw their locations, their environment, their public, and we survived in all, not only temperature, in the surrounding areas, whatever the things, we people are surviving also. That's a good thing. As a Indian, luckily, okay, people will always talk bad about India, but never ever, because okay, we are the 134 population, 135 crores population, and we are doing better. Number of the mortality is very like 1 to 2% is very less compared to other countries. So please, I am telling one more, my advice is, there are two things, immunity. So daily take some lemon juice, lime, anything related to lime, and we used to tell alum, ginger, pepper and haldi, all the things are very good, because every curries, everywhere we will use, and masalas. Indian people will like all over Indian tasty food all over the world. Why? Because we used to, all these are very good items. Even as a people will think, even other countries, they will never use about chili powder, even garlic, pepper, haldi, all those things, because we are using daily, every house, everyone. Normally when we are cooking the one, our we are taking, that's why our immunity is increasing. Now yesterday also you saw in the newspaper, one of the psychiatrists in UK, both wife and husband got affected. What he told, he taken the treatment at home, just simple paracetamol, azithromycin, and every day he is taking the boiled with alum, haldi and other things, whatever, everything he added daily 3-4 times, lemon juice, all those things, that will give definitely. So take vitamin C and B complex tablets. That's the more important. Azithromycin, I told, if you are minimum light, even cold, cough, light fever, light sneezing also, start the medicine, azithromycin for 5 days. And if you had a fever, light fever, also take paracetamol, and avoid the social distance. That's more important, more important. And this lockdown, I think, is a very good for, because without lockdown, I think our Indian mortality is going to be very high. Luckily, we had very less, and another this month is more important, and next month also slowly it will come down definitely, because all the countries, if you saw, everywhere it is 2 to 3 months, not more than that. Even when we saw our viral infection like a swine flu, dengue, that period only. You see in summer, anybody seeing the mosquitoes? No, because generally like that only, the duration of the viral fevers will be that time only. So please, all my Viewers, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and others also main important. So you have to take care of others more important. So be safe, stay at home, be patient. Just 1 month, 2 months we will avoid, then automatically will come out, and then India is going to be the one of the very good #1 country, I am telling, because everybody is being all over the country, prime ministers, presidents, everybody is saying India, 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 because we had a pharmaceuticals, you know how many 30 lakhs tablets they sent recently, paracetamol to the UK, and also HCQ tablets, hydroxychloroquine, only for the paramedical person, paramedical honorable things they are taking prophylaxis. Still now they don't know how the drug is working, because okay, we used, because Indians in pharmaceuticals are very good. All the antivirals, even we are only supplying. And the special thanks to Prime Minister Modi ji, and also our Telangana Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao garu, the way, and all the police team, medical, paramedical, and GHMC workers, everyone who are all doing the day and night jobs for avoiding all the precautions, taking the whatever the. So I am happy, and the lockdown should continue, and be safe, stay safe, and again, once again, you just the #1 is the leader Modi, and also KCR also doing with the help of the Modi. They are both of doing very well, and in Telangana, Hyderabad is going to be less numbers in future also, and we will come out of the situation, and everyone will be happy. Be safe, stay at home. Don't spread the infection. All the precaution take, please. Thank you once again.